That's fast. Nice.
What's up, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. Look what I have here. Oh, got that belt right there. Got this belt right here. How do you win belts like these? Well, for me, it's because I'm a champion speed window cleaner. This right here is the IWCA, International Window Cleaning Association's speed competition belt, international level. Also at international level is the Medal E contest, which is also a speed/precision. It's a little different, not quite as action-packed as the standard speed competition. But look at that, back to back. I won these at the same event in 2019 in San Diego. That same year, I went to London, England, and I won the World Cup of Window Cleaning. The World Cup, woohoo, international world championship title. Got to win it over there in 2019. So that's who I am, Jeremiah Hickey. I've been doing speed window cleaning since my first competition was in 2000. And I've been having a lot of fun with it ever since. There's a lot of fast window cleaners out there, and a lot of them have entered the speed competitions, and they've won different titles and everything along the way. But hopefully, you know, what I've experienced and what I've learned over the years, I've been able to pay it forward, mentor a few, help a few out, and kind of show them the ropes. So that's what I did this year, 2024, in Galveston, Texas. Went over there for the IWCA's annual convention where they hold the speed competition each year, at least the IWCA's version of it. Went over there in Galveston, Texas, enjoyed there. I was more of a mentor, a coach, an ambassador, and ended up being a judge as well for the event. So I'm more behind the scenes these days since my last world title in 2019. But the question is, does the champ still have it? And if by the champ you mean me because you know who I am, well, I'll let you be the judge. So me and another World Cup of Window Cleaning title holder, Jeff Likes, out of Davis, California. Two guys from California have won the World Cup. Interesting coincidence. But as it is, me and him went on stage as a promotional run. We did an exhibition, competed against each other. My time was 10.5 seconds. The world record is 9.14. Mine was 10.5, so it wasn't the world record time. But in relationship to all the other competitors, the next best time of the evening was over 13 seconds. So you tell me, does the champ still have it? Either way, it was a lot of fun. Yeah, speed window cleaning, it's a thing. And then use it also for things like business growth, marketing, something to talk about, something that's interesting. If you as well are interested in business growth and development, marketing, in the home service industries in particular, window cleaning specifically, well, follow along. We don't know everything. But we've experienced a lot. We've been doing this since 1998. We have a lot of experiential knowledge, a lot of educational knowledge in the industry, and a lot of experience with home service in general, from marketing to customer service, and then the standard operating procedures, any of those things. So we have a lot of experience. So if you want to learn with us, if you want to have fun with us, come along, stay along, like, subscribe, all those good things. We appreciate it very much. And we will see you when we see you, maybe at the next speed window cleaning competition, and you can get a belt like that.